New Zealanders have said clearly what needs to change in our mental health and addiction system. The case for transformation was made in He Aotearoa, the report of the government inquiry into mental health and addiction. We've continued to refine our vision for the future through further consultations including Kia kaha, kia maia, kia ora, Aotearoa, and the engagement process on the long-term pathway that ran earlier this year. Kia Manawanui is founded on all this feedback. This document sets the direction for the next stage of the transformation started in 2019 with the $1.9 billion package for mental wellbeing. Kia Manawanui outlines the actions we will take over the short, medium and longer term. This is cross-government work, with everyone playing their part for the mental wellbeing of all New Zealanders. Kia Manawanui focuses on a population-based approach to mental wellbeing. A population-based approach means improving mental wellbeing for all, while addressing inequities for specific population groups. We've identified 5 focus areas: building the social, cultural, environmental and economic foundations for mental wellbeing. This means coordinating across the diverse areas that contribute to mental wellbeing, such as housing, employment and social development. Equipping communities, whānau and individuals to look after their own mental wellbeing. We're strengthening our focus on public health messaging so everyone knows about the free self-help tools and supports available. Fostering community-led solutions. We know that communities best understand their local conditions, so we are looking for ways to support community-led services that get results. Expanding primary mental wellbeing support in communities. Whether it's expanding existing services or boosting workforce numbers, we are making sure there is mental wellbeing support in every community in Aotearoa. Strengthening specialist services. Sometimes people will need more support, and when that happens, there needs to be a solid system of specialist services available across the country. Our vision means New Zealanders will be better supported than ever before to stay mentally well and get help where, when, and how they need it.